Hello everyone and welcome to Canadian Redneck Channel. Today we have a pair of 1940 Farmall As that my sons have restored. We're getting ready to put decals on, but I thought I'd give you a quick walk around with the tractors and I'll give you a before and after with when they have the decals on. They spent a couple of summers knocking the dents out, spreading body fill, getting everything cleaned up, did all the tune-up stuff, made sure everything was working properly, and then I painted them for them. I think they came out pretty nicely. And like I said, now they're ready to have the decals put on. And these are consecutive serial number 1940 Farmall As. Built either April 13th or April 14th, 1940, which coincidentally was a Saturday or Sunday. So we need to put the emblems on the grills and then the decals around the tractors, because right now they do look kind of plain without the decals. There's kind of a big red blob, but the decals really dress them up. So we'll get going on that here in just a second. So that made quite a difference to the look of the tractors. It really dresses them up when you get the decals on. Look pretty sharp now. One thing I didn't mention about these tractors is they are hand crank only. On a Farmall A, normally right in here on the bell housing there would be a hole for your starter to go in through, and these ones are early enough that they had no starters. Starters were available optionally when these were new, but if you didn't order the starter, you didn't even get a hole to put one in until they used up the rest of those smooth bell housings sometime in 1941. So anyway, they're all dressed up, and it's time now, I guess, to start them up and put them back in the shed. So I hope you enjoyed our video today about our consecutive number A's. If as always, if you have any questions or comments, you can leave that in the comment section below. Please like, subscribe, share with people you think might enjoy the videos, and as always, have a great day.